Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Sonic Racing CrossWorlds error code 110. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to connect online through Steam and attempt to access online play. According to our research, this error may occur due to incorrect system time, missing system updates, network configuration issues, or problems with the game files. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check your system time settings. Simply go to the control panel and open Clock and Region, then select Set Date and Time. Then click on Change Date and Time and manually adjust it by the hour instead of the exact minute. After updating the time, check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, then check for any pending Windows updates. Simply go to your system settings and open Update and Security and install any available updates. Then restart your device and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then try using Cloudflare Warp. After setting it up, launch the game and check if this resolves the error. If the error continues, verify the game files through Steam. Simply open your Steam library and right-click on Sonic Racing CrossWorlds and select Properties and go to Local Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once done, check for the error again. If you still get the error, try running the game as an administrator. Simply right-click on the game shortcut or executable and select Run as administrator, and then check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, consider switching to offline play, and see if you can play offline without any errors. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.